Hello kids, today we are doing number 7. We are going to learn how to write it. Let's see how many clouds. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many clouds? 7 clouds. And that's number 7 for you. Let's get started. Write number 7. Slipping line and a slight slant line. Touch the top and touch the bottom. Slipping line, slant. Slipping line, slant. Slipping line, slant. Slipping line, slant. Okay? Now write with me. Slipping line, slanting line. Slipping line, slanting line. Slipping line, slanting line. Slipping, slant. Slipping, slant. Slipping, slant. Parents, please give your child practice at home. Thank you.